In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a paid membership website in Wix. Let's start by heading over to wix.com. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button. You can create an account using your email, Google, or Facebook. It's straightforward and provides flexibility right off the bat. Now, you have a decision to make. Whether to use Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, to automatically build your site, or opt for a blank template. Here's a little tip. If you want a fast, guided setup, Wix ADI is your friend. If full customization is what you desire, go with the Wix editor. So once you've made your choice, click on Edit Site. Now let's focus on adding the member functionalities essential for a paid membership site. Head over to your Wix editor and select Add Apps. In the search bar, type Wix Members Area, and when it pops up, click Add to Site. Instantly, Wix will create a members area complete with login and sign up pages and even a member profile page. Just a nugget of advice: you can customize the sign up form to capture crucial information like names and preferences right here. With your members area set up, navigate to your Wix dashboard. In the Customer Management section, find Pricing Plans and click Create New Plan. Naming your plans is essential. Perhaps you could use names like Basic or Premium. Decide on a pricing structure, whether monthly or yearly, and specify the benefits like access to exclusive pages or downloads. Saving the plan is the final step here. An insider tip: consider offering a free trial to entice potential members to give your content a whirl. Now, in the Wix editor, locate the pages or sections you want to restrict access to. Click Settings, then Permissions, and select Members Only. Choose which membership tiers will have access to that page, and remember to publish once you're done. Here's an extra tidbit. A welcome page for new members can foster a friendly start and provide helpful navigation tips. The next step involves setting up your payment methods. Go to Settings, then choose Accept Payments. You can connect payment options like Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. Also, don't forget to enable recurring billing if you're offering subscription plans. Before going live, test payments using a sandbox or a small transaction to ensure everything's running smoothly. A final tip here: display secure checkout badges to increase trust and conversions. Now let's polish the membership experience. Personalize emails using Wix automations to send timely welcome notes or updates. Consider creating a member dashboard where subscribers can manage subscriptions and track their progress. Organize exclusive content in member-only folders or pages, and don't forget to preview your site and test those membership sign-up flows. Once you're satisfied, publish your website. With everything up and running, track performance using Wix Analytics. Monitor member signups, payment conversions, and page views. A closing thought: gather feedback from your first members. It's invaluable for enhancing both the site and its content. And there you have it, your very own paid membership site on Wix.